Good morning, African Stars International School learners. I'm Ms. Taina, your grade 5 English teacher. Welcome to Term 2, English Lesson 6. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about auxiliary verbs and modal verbs. Auxiliary verbs. These verbs are often found together with helping verbs, or as known as auxiliary verbs. These verbs help to change tenses and to make questions and negative sentences. So we use auxiliary verbs to change tenses, either from past to present or to future tense, and as well as to make questions and negative sentences. The auxiliary verbs are words such as am, is, are, was, were, will, do, does, did, have, has, and had. These ones, do, does, did, are verbs to do. Were, have, has, had are verbs to have. And then these ones, will, were, was, are, is, and am are verbs to be. Helping verbs can also be main verbs. For example, he does homework, or I am here. These words here can tell you that the auxiliary verbs here are the main verbs of the sentences. Modal verbs. Modal verbs are also helping verbs. We use them with main verbs to show that we need or are able to do an action. So we use modal verbs to show that we are able to do something. So it shows ability to do a certain thing or to show that we need to do something. The modal verbs are, it's a mistake, not the modal verbs, but the modal verbs. Words such as can, may, might, must, and should. Those ones shows that you are able to do something. They show ability or a need to do something. Examples: this wall is low, I can jump over it. It shows that you can do it. So the word can is a modal verb. You should do your homework. Should. You may leave the room. The word may. We must stop for the red light. The word must. Our classwork for today is taken from our grammar book on page 16. Circle the auxiliary verbs in the sentences below. We learned about auxiliary verbs, which are helping verbs, as well as modal verbs, and I've given you examples of each. So I'd like you to circle now the auxiliary verbs in these sentences, from sentence A until F. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Answers to the classwork will be provided in our next lesson. Remember to keep safe, wash your hands, and avoid crowded places in order to fight COVID-19. Thank you.